Today's look is more on the natural side. So we're gonna get started with the palette, and I'm gonna be using the Toofaced Chocolate Gold Palette. It's this one right here. I really like to use this one here, and this one is called So Bougie.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
This is the NYX palette, the Dream Catcher NYX palette, and it looks like this. I like to use this color right here, and I don't remember the name. I threw away the little plastic that comes with the names, and I'm gonna go over that first shadow. So now I'm gonna add a lighter shade on my brow bone, and I usually go with either white or like a beige one, but today I'm gonna go with that beige one, and it's from that Too Faced palette, and it's called Rolling in Dough, and it's this one right here, guys. So now I'm gonna grab a different brush for this one, and I'm gonna be grabbing this one here. Now I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush, and this one is the Sonia Kashuk brush, this one here, and I'm just gonna go lightly and blend that color in. Okay, so lately I've been using like a brown liner for an everyday, and this one is from Araceli, and I'm pretty sure it's brown. Yeah, so it's in coffee. Okay, and it's this one here, Araceli. And I got it on one of my Ipsy bags, and it's really, really good, guys. I really, really like it. Go ahead and add some mascara, not a lot, just a little bit, before I apply my lashes. And I'm just gonna put a little bit. That's the only thing, like, I struggle to put the damn brush in here. It's the only thing I don't like about it. Other than that, it's a pretty good mascara. My lashes. These are like my everyday, like these are one of my favorite lashes. Lately, I've been using on a daily basis. So it's this one, the 3D01. Star Glue in Dark. I really, really like this one.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Now I'm going to clean my wing like right under, just so it could be a little more sharp. So what I like to do is grab this brush here, and this is the Wet n Wild. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of concealer, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Be using my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I love, love, love this stuff. It's so, so good.
We're dreaming in the dark.
What color is this? Okay, so it's a light to medium. And I'm gonna grab my flat foundation brush from Billion Dollar Brushes. So I'm gonna grab some and then just put it on my skin. Like this, but I like to go over it just a little more coverage, and I'm using my Pure Beauty Creations brush. Caramelo. It's a matte bronzer, so it looks like this. Okay, and then the inside. I'm going to be using my Mint Pear Rounded Soft Blend M64 brush. And it's this one here. I like to use my bronzer brush, and this is the BH Cosmetics one. And I just tap it and then blend it up. So the brush that I'm going to be using, where is it? Nope. Okay, it's this one, and this is from BH Cosmetics, and it's the number 10. Okay, sorry. This one here. So we're going back to So Bougie.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are.
Okay, so it just deposited a little bit of color, not too much. And now we're just gonna add some mascara to our bottom lashes. So back with the L'Oreal one.
Yes, that's the part you always show.
the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. This is an OG, guys, but it's such a good white liner. Like, it's really, really good. I love it. Just add it on the waterline. Okay, so now we're gonna move to highlights. In the highlight, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Diamond Light. This one, I don't know, like when I received it, I was excited for it, but I don't know. I'm not like, oh my god, obsessed with it. But I do like using it for an everyday look. Because it's not that high, it's more like, it's not bad, but it's just more of a subtle highlight than like the highlight that's like bang in your face, you know? And usually I go for that type of highlight that's like in your face, but for a natural look, sometimes I do like using this one. And I'm using the Farrah highlight brush. This is my go-to highlight brush for everything, you know, mainly everything. And I like to use this one from Miss Glam, and it's the L36. I like to use this one for my cheekbones. So I'm gonna dab it. And then just around the cheekbone and brush it up. Okay. The Airspun face powder is the one I'm going to be using. Use this sponge to use this powder. So. I already have chapstick on my lips. I'm just gonna add a little bit of lip gloss, and this is from Ofra in the color I'm guessing, doesn't say, but I'm guessing is Smiley for Riley, I think. That's the name. That's I see. Gives you like a good shimmer. It's so pretty. You know, do the lip liner, and then add it on top, or lipstick and add it on top. In the middle, oh my god, it's so pretty. But today I'm just doing it all over my lip without anything under. I'm gonna be using this brush from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna take that powder off. Okay, so now the last thing that we're gonna do is spray some setting spray, and I'm using the Morphe one. So shake it. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. This is one of my natural looks for an everyday. So I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next video.